Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I'm back with another video and I have an unboxing video from Printed Mint. This is the paint can candle in the matches that I showed you guys me designing in the previous video. Now my package is here and I'm ready to unbox it on camera. I'm going to scoot back just a little bit. Of course, I normally have my logo on the side because that's just a part of the branding package. And as I open it up, I do see, I changed it to craft crinkle paper. There's the craft crinkle paper. Bubble wrap, wrapped really good. I'm going to go ahead and bring out the candle first. Again, wrapped really well in bubble wrap. Got a piece of crinkle paper in the tray. Then it's also wrapped in some plastic, as you can see, with twine. I'm gonna unwrap that. And I think on the video, I thought that the label will go all the way around, but as I can see, it does not. Outside of the plastic is also my logo. Pull that off. I'm gonna give you guys a good look at the candle. Some of us got that shit you can't teach. I'm just gonna turn it. Label looks really good, really matte black. I can't really see the little sparkle that I tried to put in there. Here is the top of it and here is the bottom. I think I don't know if I got the cashmere or wildflower, but this is what's at the bottom. And then of course the warning. I'm going to set this down and then have some papers in there. I'll read that in a second. My order packing slip. I got the cashmere candle. Again, it's hand poured, 8 ounce. And then I got the small matches. The matches are bubble wrapped as well. Gonna pull that out. Packaging A1. I've never had an issue with the packaging, ever. It's wrapped in plastic and has my logo on the outside as well. So I love that. All right. And then here are the matches. It says it's lit. You guys can see that. Have the matches in the inside and the lighter part on the bottom, and that's the top. Here is the paint can candle and the small matches. Let's go ahead and check out what's inside. It says a special treat for you. Sending your gift has made our day and we hope this package sweeten yours. So I'm assuming they use a vendor, okay? So then we have some candle safety. It lets me know that I have a wooden wick. It says trim to 1/8 to 3/16 in length. Keep wax-free area of wick trimmings and debris. Keep away from children and pets. Keep away from flammable items. That little care packaging there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open my candle, just like a regular paint can. Let's see what kind of tools I got up in here. All right, let's use this. Okay, all right, it's coming up. And it's up. Oh, that smells really good. Here's the top. Here's the wood wick of the candle. And that smells like love. Oh, that smells really good. So no bubbling, very smooth candle. And it's the summer. And Texas is really hot, so that's good. So I'm just gonna pop this little top off the matches. I'm gonna take one out. Remember, they did have certain colors that you could choose. So I'm gonna go ahead and light this. And I'm gonna go ahead and light my wick. I forgot how fast matches burn. All right. Put that to the side and there we have it. It's lit. So normally what I do is I let my candles burn till the pool is all the way around so I can get a whole even burn. I want to make sure my candle burns evenly, but I am satisfied with it. I love the matches. Everything looks really cute. If I was a print-on-demand business owner or someone who wanted to start a candle company, I would definitely use these paint can candles. They're just super cute, and I'm probably talking and cause my breath to to blow the candle out, but I'm gonna relight it and I'm gonna let it burn for a while. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the rest of my videos about Printed Mint. If you want to sign up, I'll put the link down in my description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time. Thanks so much for watching my channel. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.